Maar in die fabrieken daar, dat zijn vastgebonden aan een palet en al. Ja, hè. Inderdaad. Was stop smiling. Ziekelijk, ja. Massa's. Maar ja, was dat niet al zo brok een beschutte werkplaats zo? I'm chilling with tonight. I've never been any good at real life. I've never been any good at... you will be. Snipe. Everything makes you stronger, right? Hey, and is anyone streaming at the moment, or do you have anyone where you want to share some love with? Tell me, guys. Because we're almost about to raid. So, guys, we will have a after work chat in Discord tonight. If anyone wants to join, tell me, guys, who's in. And Kort. Oh! Wie was dat? And Cortis, are you still in the Discord? Just want to make some good vibes. So we finished working now. Yes, Irish Gamer, just cleaning kitchen and doing orders then. So I don't know if anyone wants to share some love with someone and give the raid to someone in your name. I'm just having a look as well. I also know already who we will do, guys. Okay, any moderator around? Ah yeah, Snipe. Snipe, can you get all the social Discord comments in there? Guys, so we're raiding. Tomorrow we're closed, so tomorrow is a day home. Plakken?
Ah nee, hier.
So tomorrow we're a day home, guys. Feel free to join the... Oh yeah. Feel free to join the Discord for after work chat. Kijk, ik ook maar van. You come back on Wednesday? Yes, Artnet. So guys, we're back on Wednesday with another stream. Wednesday we will start about 10 a.m. Wednesday is a lot of preps. There's not a clue.
Daarnet hangt hij wel.
Ja, je weet hoe dat er helemaal er stress van. But we will miss you, yeah. Just want to make it. Okay. Boss, we'll miss a guy like you. Boss, we're gonna miss you. They don't gonna miss me, they gonna miss you.
So, tell him that he has to stay.
She's saying tell him he has to stay so I can start my own restaurant, guys. So guys, we're raiding Ice Cream Pass. So we're back on Wednesday around 10 a.m. Central European time. Yes, Ice Cream Pass is Snipe Bunny. Guys, copy and paste this in the Ice Cream Pass's chat. Let them know we're coming through with all the love. I appreciate you all again for being around, sharing all the love, making the Panda family grow. It's mostly appreciated, guys. And for after work chats, be in Discord, right? We will have a call in there with the family, everyone that wants. feel free to join. And see you later, guys. Much love. Innamorada boom boom. Ah, Rada. Hey, Rada. Ja, kijk waar kussen, hè. Moet je nog tong en kaartje in? Vacuüm. No, of course I won't. Enjoy the night. Wish I could got it all. Bye, Irish. Thanks for eating the lemon, guys. Thanks for the surprise. Thanks for the biddies. And don't forget, Panda loves you guys with all my heart. Yeah. Nou, we zitten al iedere dag rond de 30 kijkers.
Ja?
Van, wat was het, 7, 6?